ago mi ba nyefenye do manye ngbenji ni awle lati to mo bi ni wo fe wole iForce TV ne mo na topic ni wo ba yeye ke wo ba wo che nyefenye lo mo gan gbe ishi e wo ke gan gbe ishi te wo ba fi te wo ba ni wo gan no ni ganya adumoshi to be ni wo fe wo expect or because ke o social media ke other platforms no wonye megame alo nye megame pin complaining ake the gan gbe ishi te wo ba fi te wo ba ni wo gan no. In my perspective, allow me money, me no money true. How ni many work wo gan no, mama we mene. Ke oba watch e nyefanya lo mu, nye share video e ko mo fo mana e ko ni e kwa video e. Ke a be ni wo gamo no pa iba ni na video e. Kenkle ke oba Ghana ne Ghana ne the capital city ni ji Accra ne. Germany wo game wo yo. Allo Germany game. Accra ne ji wo worship no. But Accra ne nche niji the capital city research kwe chwanke every capital city of every country Kenya kwe na hiye 100 years to come nye language ilagio. Yes, 100 years to come nye language ba alaji. Why? Because your land there na kafi capital city ni nature capital city different tribes and languages baba shpono aka member fante member aigbe member Hausa member Chinese bimba mo fiamomba dagoma mi mo fiamomba Accra na me ba tuni Accra because Accra is the capital city ni kanu epanake this tribe say na me ba amemba me ba fe pi mo fe wo gamenu wo yo wo nche wo shpono na nka me ba ameba yusmo na me wi amencha me man wi mo it will turn into people. You will find pity to even speak their language for them. You walk up na Ganoi etashino twijo ko baba me pacho ti sen yo kekele we ile no yo pacho hwehwe wan le ganyo ba bila ke pacho hwehwe wan le mweke onake game ba she ko abino ba na ke bo ya ta o mkopodo she de no ba wi twi allo different language o wi bo man wi mo bona ni ya no. And this is the reason, some of the reasons say what are chonga school. Ghana chonga school way. Most of the schools in Accra are chonga. Most of the schools in Accra are chonga. Ni school say una menchonga ye Accra nenche. School say nenche pini. Ghana mechonga nenche. Amechonga taflache pi. Chomo na mechone nche ana because me neke inte school ye Anglican ye kwashima Anglican Ghana chomo nche I cannot read and write Ghana. Up to now I cannot read Ghana, I cannot write Ghana. Born mishishi this is the time listen the government has no business with this. It is the time any wagame mancheme ko nupaye. This is what we want. Kajefe na kan school said ya school said ya kwa the way na chonga in schools. No kudo kwe ya no. Ghana me chonga no kudo kwe ya no. I'm telling you. Achonga papako. Amechonga. So most of BKBFN and che BKB ni ameya school na meju ogan is either ake gado ni omo. Allo environment in your in but the school when the gun to read and write there actually papako ona actually papako ni most way chonga school me. So how can we make our children make be any ba top afetin oba make be anya kase Ghana amele? This is where my profession comes in. In profession in fear the movie making comes in, the entertainment comes in, because most of the children most of us we watch movie, we listen to music. Most of us get Ebola la to hear about a movie. How many of us say we are so eager to go to school to go and learn Ghana? No. If you should say it's an actual school, actual Ghana school say schools are about but the children will not be able to learn it well because money chon Ghana nche e chon Ghana in a way ni beke be ba nye kase Ghana Mali. So this is where my profession comes in. Now, none about Finji. We have to invest in the Ghana movies, invest in the Ghana music. We have the lives of Alute Tito Yeje, we have Adani Best Yeje, Woyemokotomo, King Jerry Yeje, Luta Yeje, we have Nifani, we have name them, where long life maker. All these Ghana artists Yeje, touch all the time. Amaziba Njo, Abazida Njo, that name, Monfi Ogbejeke. Then we have Miss Bell and the rest. They are all there. When was the last time ni Onunake allocated to 9 award put down? Meanwhile, they organized the award there Gashipo no. But how many times no Bananake allocated to a award? Adani Best award, King Jerry award, Ghana Music Award, King Jerry award, Lifan award, Miss Bell award. Meanwhile, every day they are giving this award there to make one people there no KJ Stonebwoy akba Sarkodie KJ Sarkodie akba Kimpaluta KJ Kimpaluta akba these same people. Meanwhile, they are not even putting any impact in the Ghana. The only one person ni why Ghana ni Jishatawali and look at how they are tracing that guy. Meanwhile, you organize the award, say you gashpo no. Jete Ghana people, you small arm award. When Shatawale speaker, then you start again. You sit somewhere. You create a committee. The Kenya plan you rather push Stonebwoy and bring down Shatawale. Now when you not so I think this is the time Nisani Gama Mancheme ko nupai many ke taflache awie e show nyekenya na bwa wumi this award say nche na ha nche she Ghana gashpo na afio nye. Why is it that you are not giving Alute Tito award? Why is it that you don't nominate King Jerry and the rest? Nyahama award there ku come about movie side. The movie side that we have casting scenario there where Jeffrey Joe, I think Jeffrey Norton or something, where Papa Monifio what's the name? Toys in Joe cartoons in. We have all of them there. Why are you not supporting all these people? Because every grandchild, they can yoga. We would love to watch either the movie or the music. They will not give our producers, the Ghana producers of music, I'm a award, but ke eshe in about party here. I used to gamala like a few. Ote award night, this Vodafone Music Awards can be here. When they want to give the award, say I can award them. I'm a fiamo. I hang on you. It's about joke and be here. I used to gala like a joke. I used to need funny making Jerry make Luta make Miss Bemelela na make a joy again. Meanwhile, you don't give them award. So gamanche me won panyefai taflache mi panyefai nyekenya na amashi koninya fear rules and regulations alonya fear come up with something in the bani whenever they want to give this award say akaje gama ekeshini every day can nominate akagama wumi come nye amia organize ye amema amia na amia organize ye amema for pafai. This is the time Nisani you should invest in the Ghana movies. We have a lot of producers in Ghana. Ghana producers say me I'm a very good, but when it comes to financial, they are facing financial problems. Most of us, we are facing financial problems. So this is where ni esani Gama mancheme ko no pa ye kenanya machine. Then never pay some sponsorship allo scholarship allo sponsorship ko. These Ghana producers. Ona Ghana producer na kenye kwe ni na this year na ibomode le na ibomode wa last year ibomode nye produce movies, especially to momineke last year come to nye produce I think 4 movies. In produced 4 movies last year, and produced 4 movies, then TV series. Jane Shomoni ni TV series Jane Sunday. He produced Jane Sunday. Full 13 episode. 13 episode. One episode to Jane Shomoni. Then we have produced 13 episodes after one season. Then we have produced the movie part 1 and 2, part 1 and 2, part 1 and 2, 4. So Jane Shomoni. So I think in Ghana I can even see Ghana from last year the best movie producer they produce movies wow I can see mini they to money now unless could have not seen the other people but man mini because apart from Queen of Accra Monica Queen of Accra be coming in a movie could do but last year I produced 4 movies with even series. Board mission. This year we won't produce Jane Sunday. So these are some of the things I need gamma manchame onipa ye trash ni kwe. Okay, this person is doing well here be. Dia wo support ale. Keke shikafi kwe keke support le. Ko ne ke ye here because ka ba sha movie je sha money ni. Ka ba sha movie. Min production na ni mi here. In characters ni here characters e come 50 something plus. This 50 something plus Baba said no. You have to feed all of them. Lebi shwanebeke ba feed them for ba menye ni ka ke feed ba menye ni lebi shwanebeke. Ça no me fait transportation. Na Baba said no ba mo fait mo transportation. Mokopo ye mokoye neke moko no je ke fe ni mokoyo. Onyo ha mo fe amo the same amount. Ça no me neke me no ba le neke because meneshia je ke fe mene. Where you are going to shoot the movie epodenche pokoshe dem epodenche shi anke gate na no ba dumo no ba sha nenche tunji no ba botem no ba sha fe sa no pay na kan tunji enfe obeko na yi no ba equipment no ba use ni cameras no ba use light ji no ba use sound no ba use editing ke na kamanya bi fe shikanyomon ka o sha ogbena no ke TV station am e beshka ona and I don't blame them. They are beshka, so this is the kind of where this when it's an stakeholders can be a supporting newa gun producers say when you produce the gun movie say more they can be about movie say they will learn the gun and back as a gun because in James and then can movies any washer three be a come try me am call me okay we should translate the remo benefina mo menya make as a gun because I be call but they don't understand the language she remo nwamena amenta na make as Ona, this translation say all comes with a cost. Benimo wieka remo movie shishi. It comes with a cost. Ona. Ewo ba pafai manche me, wo liake de ba nye fi. Tafla che kule ni domone ya ko emu. She won helenyeshi. Ake nyehani nye fia no ko ni ba ni ewa boys ni boys and girls ni we are into all these media things. Ni what support Ghana here. We have a lot of people. Why MP na me fe de kama jan tumune ni awo wa me ke wa me many mu fe la branch kumo alo tete to fe la ko ina mina dromo mini mina dromo mi shegbe yekula Yesu ji o mo wo na lala ni to ma chombo lala twi me fe twa lala twi me ta flat twi me putwa lala mo fe mo twa lala bon mission ni ka atwa won me ka ba ajo which means music and movies travel faster than even the classroom. No bakase. So invest in the movies and the music. TV stations defend your Ghana 90% are major 3 movies. That is why 3 movies is 3 more fast fast because most 90% are my 3 movies. It is only machine obonuke 1 TV stations could major organ movies. That's why we are not going forward because what TV stations say prefer. Come on, check on a machine. Every TV station in your Ghana and Accra, they should at least every single day. I made a program 3 or 4. Can they be about the politics? I got J3 movies. Or not, yeah, Ganspon. Lebi Kashibeke about J3 movies. The car for politics in tree. Okay, problem could be Nefia, but Nefia Shua can you buy Gayemi? Nedia movies, TV stations, show your movies, but make sure every single day you have a program. Ni Ganremo about you. You can't tell me ofe TV station ye gashpono every single day fe tree song ke bata she dey you e na we aye we e na me aye mini tree bi nji wo. We are not saying okay, the tree language is not good. It is 100%. Speak the tree. We don't have problem. Most of us we've even learned the tree. Mimi did not know the country. I miss my country. But make sure say every single day your show now we have Gan Accra no Gan language. Speak the Gan language. 3 programs now we have TV and radio so no. We are supporting you. You have our support. But yes, Remo, moon creative programs every single day. Biano, make sure say Mubekan Gang Kasa our program niso. In the dini of Lelate, come about what part 1 of Gambation, part 1. Masama ba part 2. Masama ba part 2. This morning kefe video culture keke too much. Ko ko ba fe boring ambu. Maba part 2. Neradon.